Good morning, India. I, Himanshu Gupta, welcomes all of you in my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to teach you Barrow 3 item test. Barrow नाम से ही आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा बैरो 3 आइटम टेस्ट। तो इस टेस्ट में 3 टेस्ट की आप लोग स्टडी करेंगे। फर्स्ट स्टैंडिंग ब्रॉड जंप, सेकेंड जिग जैग रन एंड लास्ट टेस्ट आइटम मेडिसिन बॉल पुट। Purpose this test to measure general motor ability. Constructed in 1953 and constructed by Dr. Harold M. Barrow. First test item, standing broad jump. Purpose this test for measuring leg strength. Equipment required, a mat of 5 into 12 feet, a measuring tape and jumping pit. Procedure in this test. Subject stand just behind the takeoff line. The subject must crouch before jump. Before the jump is take the arm and swing. 3 trials are given. The distance measured from the takeoff line to the heel or other part of body that touch the ground nearest to the takeoff line. Scoring in this test, the final score is the distance in inches from the best jump. Means all jump are measured and the best one is recorded. Like this image. Second test item, zigzag run. Purpose this test to measure ability and speed. Equipment required, stopwatch, 5 cones and space 16 into 10 feet. Procedure in this test, the subject can take start from standing position. After the start, running is done in a manner of figure of like this. 3 circuits are completed. The stopwatch is started when the command to run is given and stopped immediately when the subject crosses the finish line. The subject should warm up properly. The subject should wear proper fitting shoes with good traction to avoid blister and slipping. Scoring. The final score is the time each second for 3 laps. The time is recorded to the nearest tenth of a second. Like this image. And then last test item, medicine ball put. Purpose this test to measure arm and shoulder strength. Equipment required, a medicine ball and measuring tape. Procedure in this test, the subject stand between 2 restraining lines which are 16 feet apart. Important this line, in case of girl, a medicine ball of 1 kg provided. In case of boys, a medicine ball of 3 kg is provided. The subject must take the position before the restraining line. No overlapping is allowed. After restraining line, the medicine ball is put, not thrown. Scoring in this test, 3 trials are given. The final score is the distance of best foot in nearest foot. Means the best of 3 tiles is recorded. People who are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Stay healthy and safe. Jai Hind.